Hello everyone, how are you? So do you want to pass your ACCA Performance Management and Financial Management easily? If yes, so today I'm telling you a rule, and that is 8, 8 and 18. This rule will help you to pass Performance Management, Financial Management without taking too much stress. So do watch the video till the end to learn this awesome examination technique. Hello, this is Rizwan Maniya and I am the instructor at VIFHE for ACCA Performance Management, Financial Management and Advanced Performance Management. This is my video under the heading of Smart Paper Solving Technique series. So those who are interested to pass this paper easily, yes, this is my smart paper technique that will help you to make paper easy and grab marks and pass paper easily. So let's begin. There is section A in your paper comprising of 15 OTs and the weightage of 30 marks. Then you have section B, again 15 OTs, but this time these are under 3 case studies, and then section C, 2 CRQs. So the exam weightage here is of 30 marks, here it is of 30 marks, and here it is of 40 marks. Now, how can you pass easily? What you should do. So this is my recommendation. If it suits you, do try. First, you can start your paper with section A. Start your exam with section A. In section A, just look for the easy OTs. Out of 15, approximately, the narrative ones I'm talking about are easier ones, maybe 3, maybe 4. So there are at least 5 easy OTs in section A, including narrative and the calculative ones. So what I want you people to do is, you do solve easy OTs first out of those 15. Now, how will you able to find out? It's very simple. You look at the question, the narrative ones I'm talking about. Some narrative questions are very easy and you can quickly come up with the answer, maybe in 30 seconds, maybe in 40 seconds. So according to the exam time, one OT should be solved in 3.6 minutes. But if you're able to solve certain easier ones quickly, so what are you doing? You are saving time for yourself, plus grabbing marks in that and giving more questions or the remaining questions more time. So out of these 15 OTs, the target that I'm giving you is to at least ensure 8 OTs are the one that you have to ensure are correct for you. So I'm allowing you to do 7 OTs wrong. Yes, I'm not creating pressure to grab 60 marks, 70 marks. I'm allowing you today to do mistakes. Do mistakes as you want, but there should be cap for that. So what is the cap? In these 15 OTs, 7 OTs you are allowed to do wrong. And 8 OTs is what you just have to target. And in those 8, easy ones are there. So maybe 5 are the easy ones that you can easily solve, maybe 4. The remaining are medium level OTs, and you have to make sure that out of 15, 8 you have to ensure are correct for you. So I'm allowing you today to lose 14 marks in section A out of 30. Yes, my communication is different. I'm not saying grab 16 marks. I'm saying you can lose 14 marks. Openly play the game. Don't stress on things to complete and grab complete marks. So 8 OTs is the target for you out of 15. How to grab 8 OTs and ensure these are correct? Easy OTs there are. In 15 OTs, you will find at least 4 are easier. So those 4 should be correct. The remaining 3 are the medium level ones that you have to ensure are correct. But you have to attempt all 15. Attempt all 15. I'm not saying that solve only 8 and move on. No, don't take that high risk. Attempt all 15, but if you start with the easy ones, there is a very high chance that you are able to at least ensure that 8 are correct. Done. If you're able to do it, then you are giving yourself a chance to do 14 marks mistakes and grab 16 marks. Section B, 5 OTs in each case study. Now, Again, there are 3 case studies. One relates to ABC costing, one relates to, for example, variances, and one relates to performance measurement. Now, start with the strength area. If you think variance is your strength, start with that case study question and then move towards the next case study. You have to attempt all the case studies, but my basic point is, my emphasis is on start with the easy case study question. Maybe if variance is your strength, start with that. Because whenever you start with your strength, that is where you are more confident. That is where you take less time and grab more marks because of the confidence. So make sure start with easy case study question first. Out of the 3, select the one which is the most easiest one, solve that. In each case study, it's a very simple task. In each case study, you have to ensure 2 to 3 should be correct. 2 to 3 should be correct. Now, what is the bifurcation? Normally, 2 to 3 questions are calculative ones and the remaining are narrative ones, or it's the vice versa, which means if there are narrative ones and are easier ones, then you have a more chance to quickly solve and grab the marks. So in each case study having 5 OTs, 2 to 3 should be correct. That's it. Don't overpressure yourself. Then move to the next one and the next one. In every case study, just target 2 to 3 easier ones or medium level ones and ensure that you make those correct. If you are able to do it, which means out of 15, again, you will be able to correct 8 OTs. And if you are able to do 8 OTs correct, then again you have a margin to do mistakes in relation to 7 OTs, 14 marks. You can lose, man. This is your normal loss. This is the normal loss you can do, which means if you are able to ensure 8 OTs are correct, 16 marks are done for you. 16 marks done, which means out of these 60 marks, 32 at least you have to grab. But again, I'm telling you, you have to attempt all the questions, but start from your strength. Start from the easy ones. You have a very good navigation option available there. So use that navigation option. For those you are not very sure, use flag for review. You can come back later. Now coming towards CRQs. 2 CRQs. I'll target 1 CRQ. First start with that CRQ that is your strength once again. For example, if there is 120 mark question of performance measurement and 120 mark question on budgets, if budget is your strength, start with that. If measurement is your strength, start with that. So if you start with your strength area, then what you can do, as we all know, 1.8 minutes per mark is what time we have, which means for a 20 mark question, you have 36 minutes. But if you start with your strength area, if you start with a question that is your strength, which means you are able to solve that bill within 36 minutes, maybe 34 minutes, maybe 33 minutes, maybe 32 minutes, even you are able to save 3 minutes, that is your very good high hope of winning, which means you have spare time for the other CRQ question. So start with the strength CRQ and solve the first, then the next one, attempt 100%, which means complete 40 marks. And the target I'm giving you is very simple. You will love this target, not very difficult. Out of these 40, I'm not giving you even half the target. I'm just giving you a target of 18 marks. 18 marks. That's it, which means from 2 CRQs of 40 marks, you just want to grab 18 marks. And in that, how can you? If you start with your strength area, if you start with your strength CRQ, you will automatically able to grab more marks in one CRQ and less marks in the other CRQ. Maybe, for example, from the strength CRQ, if you start with, that is a 20 marks and you grab 12 marks. So you just have to grab 6 from the remaining 20 mark CRQ. Wow. So make your life easier, make your targets easier. Don't put extra pressure on yourself. The first objective is to pass. If you have 49, it's 0. If you have 50, remember, it's 100. So my friends, my smart paper solving technique says that the rule is clear. And what is the rule? That is 8, 8 and 18 marks is the simple recipe to pass performance management, financial management. So remember, 8, 8 and 18. This is the strategy. Make it simple. Start from easy area, section A, 8 OTs. Section B, 8 OTs. Start with the easy case study. Section C, 18 marks. Start with this easy CRQ question. And I'm sure like this you will be able to pass. Remember, 100 marks are not difficult, not impossible to solve. There is a balance in the paper. Easy marks are available. Difficult marks are available. What we have to target is easy 50 marks. I hope this video will help you to pass your paper. Do give your feedback in the comment section. And last thing, do the rehearsal, not on the exam day. Before that, just solve mocks, 1, 2, 3 mocks using this technique and see the difference. Best of luck. I hope you like the video. Bye.